The CellDive Open Multiplexing System allows you to design and scale your studies to fit your unique research needs. By automating your staining and slide handling workflow, 15 slides can be processed at once without user intervention. To achieve this, Leica Microsystems has partnered with Advanced Solutions Life Sciences to create an integrated solution that seamlessly automates multiplexed staining and imaging. Customized especially for the CellDive workflow, the BioAssemblybot 200 is a multitasking robot that leverages interchangeable tools to perform both pipetting and slide handling actions. Outsource sample prep steps to BioAssemblybot, freeing you from time-consuming bench work. Preserve antibodies and other sensitive reagents with cold storage. Distribute reagents across tissue dynamically with active rocking. Advance your research 24/7 with CellDive and BioAssemblybot.